everybody, welcome back to the studio. So today I'm going to try something new again. I'm going to pour over I think it's a knitting thing. So I haven't used it as a knitting thing, but we're going to pour over it on a 10 by 20 canvas today. So stay tuned, let's get this started. All right, so as usual, I have prepared my canvas by putting push pins on the back, and I've got masking tape, and I sprayed my canvas so that I can make sure it is tight. Now, because I'm going to add some additional weight to it, which is this item that I'm going to pour through, I'm going to add something underneath of it. Now, these are just frozen food trays. They will help my canvas from not sinking too far as the paint is drying and dripping over. Now it actually does give a little bit there, so it's not really pushing up on my canvas, but I just don't want it to bow down so far with the weight of this item so it doesn't pour over the sides. Don't want it to pool in the middle very much. All right, so let me get some paints mixed up and we'll get started. Alright, so I mixed up my colors. I'm using all metallics today, so I'm going to use kind of a peacock array of colors. I have blue, purple, green, golden, bronze. So we're going to go with those colors today. I am not talking about the specifics of any brand just because I really am not affiliate with anyone. And so I have gotten a little bit of a break on some deco art things because I've had some items that I've returned. They were very good about making sure I got double my money back. So I do talk about my deco art products a little bit. So I'm going to pour straight down the middle, and actually I'm going to move you down to the side so you can see the pour out. So let me start with a pour out of some bronze. Not using any colors on the background. I think I'll have plenty of paint. I think I might go for a little bit of pearl in there. I haven't talked about that, but I think I'm going to try some of my pearl. All right, so that's the pour out. So that's our pour out. I'm going to take you back up to the top, and then we're going to go ahead and do our tilting. Okay, so here we are back up at the top. This is what it looks like from the top angle. Let me move everything out of the way, and we're going to actually hold on to this and pick up and tilt a little bit. That ought to mix up that middle a little bit. I wonder what all that's going to do if I go that way. Let's try to keep that in the middle while we do this. Awesome. All right. Let's bring those stripes back as much as we can. And I'm actually just going to lift it. Let me get some paper towels. Here we go. Straight up. Oh, that's cute. All right, I actually think I'm going to blow the edges. So I always keep this, see how one end is straight, one end is at an angle. I like to use the angle end so that I can make whatever designs I want out to the side. You know what? I'm going to use some white here. There. All right, so let me bring you in closer. These are the colors that came through with our pour through a knitting form. Look at that one. Look at that, how beautiful that is. All right. So you have to let me know what you think about this one. It kind of looks like a bug. I don't know. All right. Let me know what you think about it.